Morning everyone, it's Mr. Allen here for our final Golden Ticket Assembly of 2020. Yes, today is our final Golden Ticket Assembly because next week it's Presentation Assembly next Friday. So this is our final one for 2020, so well done to all of those winners. It is Friday, the 11th of December. We're here for years 3, 4, 5 and 6 and all those amazing children that have won Golden Tickets. I've mixed it up a little bit though today, just to keep you on your toes. So, as you always know, it's usually year 3 and so forth, but I've mixed it up. We're starting with year 6. And the reason I thought I'd start with year 6 is because this child is a pleasure to teach. They're kind to those around them. They regularly raise their hand to provide positive contributions, and they seek adult feedback if unsure of what they need to do. This boy has settled seamlessly into 6RD and made a great start to life at Mile Cross Primary School. It is only their second week actually in school. They have made such an impact in year 6, it is amazing, and that's why I wanted to start with this boy, because he is amazing and he's absolutely got what it takes to be a member of Mile Cross Primary School community. Golden ticket goes to Elia. Here he is, Elia, you absolute superstar. You really deserve this. You have had such a brilliant start to school. Everyone else in year 6, copy him. He has been brilliant throughout, whatever it is. These 2 weeks, he's been absolutely amazing. So really well done, Elia. I am so proud of you, buddy. Congratulations. Enjoy your treats and look after this golden ticket because that's really special. Well done. And another special child in year 6 in Miss Percy's golden ticket this week is awarded someone who always tries their very best. They really do in everything they do. Even if they don't always find things easy, they never complain or give up. And that's absolutely true of this child all the way through his schooling at Mile Cross Primary. They always contribute in lessons, make them a fantastic example to others in the class. Well done for your exceptional attitude towards school and learning. A very well-deserved golden ticket goes to none other than Kyle Furness. Here he is. Come on, Kyle. Look at that. You superstar, Kyle. You're so quiet. You just get on. You work hard. I am proud of you. Enjoy your treats. And really well-deserved golden ticket, buddy. Proud of you. You should be proud of yourself as well. Well done. Moving on. Now, we're going to go to year 3. As you can see, look, Mr. Ackerman. This girl is amazing all of the time. She's a perfect role model to all the children and impresses us every day. She really does. Goes to Cleo. Here she is. Honestly, just absolutely amazing. Look at that maths. When you look through her maths, it's all the way through. Amazing maths, but the same with her English and her science and her history and her geography. She is amazing. Cleo, well deserved. And again, you and your sister, golden tickets on the same day. Who'd have thought it? So you'll have lots of treats to share with Mum, obviously. Spread them out a bit because you'll have lots, but really well done to you, you superstar. You will have a great weekend now with your sister because she's a golden ticket winner as well. So congratulations to both of you. Well done. Moving on, Miss White says this person has been near the top of our golden ticket list all term. Could have won it multiple times. They're kind, helpful and hardworking. They're a super storyteller and always one of the first to learn our stories. They really are. Absolutely. They learn from their mistakes and always try to do their best they can. And Mr. Allen says it's okay to make mistakes as long as we learn from them. The golden ticket, really well deserved. Certainly is. To Eva. Here she is. Look at that. Okay, superstar all the way through. Always a big smile on her face. Always helpful around school. Eva, really well deserved, hun. I am so proud of you. Enjoy your treats. Well done on earning this because you, I know, as we go through the year, will earn many more of these. So really well done. Moving on. Going to year 5 now. As you can see, Miss Musselwhite says this golden ticket goes to someone who tries incredibly hard. They also work hard at home and read every single day. They get involved in lessons now too, which is something they didn't always do before. So improving, learning. They have made super progress already due to their determination and their positive attitude. As I said earlier, a super positive attitude. They've had to wait a long time for this, but it is thoroughly deserved. It really is, because she's quietly got on and learned from all those. Goes to Deanna. Here she is. Come on, Deanna. You absolute superstar. Keep it up, hun. Really well deserved. See, it pays off to work hard, to keep trying. It's okay to learn from our mistakes. You have done that over and over again. Really well done. Enjoy your treats. Well done on getting this. You superstar. Next child in Miss Arthurton says this child has made good progress, and even when the going gets tough, She perseveres. She's developed a true desire to learn and enhance her knowledge. She's becoming more independent, taking responsibility for her learning in lesson and at home. Lots of homework going on. She always reads, goes on spelling shape, Timetable Rockstar, as well as producing lots of written work from home. She really, really does. This week, our golden ticket goes none other than Lily. Here she is. Lily, the absolute superstar. Another one, just quietly getting on, working ever so hard. Not only at school, but at home as well, Lily. That's what I'm really proud of. Again, maybe you can share your treat with your family. I know you will, because again, you are such a kind girl, but really well done and well deserved, Lily. Keep it up, all right? Superstar, I'm proud of you. And finally, we move on to year 4, and Mr. Pinner says this. He works really hard in class and is always cheerful, even when he's struggling with tasks. Really does, actually really grown up in this. The adults in the class have noticed recently that he is trying to work independently and needs much less support from them. Superb. He works brilliantly with his partners and increasingly using the technology in class to support his learning. Superb. He's always kind to others and thoroughly deserves this award and always comes into school with a massive smile on his face. Goes to Michael! Here he is, look at that. Look at him. Honestly, Michael, you are working so hard. I am really proud of you. I know you will share your treats with Nikita because you're such a kind boy. Really well deserved. Look after this golden ticket and keep up that hard work. Keep being independent. Proud of you. Finally, we have Miss Barrett says this child is always making the right choices. This is proven by the fact that this is their second golden ticket this year. Second golden ticket. Oh, they focus on their work, ignore distractions, and also can be really kind and helpful to the other children in the class. This child has a real desire to learn and perseveres even when things get tough, never complaining. You should be really proud of yourself. You really should. The second golden ticket this time goes to Alicia. There she is, winging it. Look at that. Amazing work, getting on, working hard, always got her head down, always looking out to help out others as well. Alicia, I'm so proud of you. You really do deserve this. Well done again, 2 of these through this term. I am proud of you. Well done, well done. Obviously, well done to all of our winners this term. Brilliant effort. If it wasn't you, again, all I'll say is copy these children. You know who they are. You've seen them. Watch them. Copy them. Because who knows? It could be you when we come back in January and we start off with our golden tickets again. So start off the new year really positively. See if you can get one in those first few weeks. Right? Keep trying, everyone. All right? Really well done. My final message. It almost goes without saying now. We have 1 week left of school. We've got so much happening next week. We've got on Tuesday, we've got Christmas lunch day. We all need to be in for that. On Wednesday, the year 1 nativity is going to be seen by all the school and it's going on YouTube at 10:30. So parents, look out for that because it is amazing this year and it's all being filmed and ready for you to watch. On Thursday, we've got Christmas party day. And then, of course, I've mentioned already, on Friday, we've got presentation assembly. So a full packed week next week. So please, please stay home, protect Milecross, help keep school open. And for golden tickets, until next year, bye-bye everyone.